Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, where you can watch, decide, and ride. In this video, I have Kat standing to my left, wearing the new Ignition 2 from REV'IT, and this is the ladies-specific version. For 2012, we've seen an Ignition 2 for men's and an Ignition 2 for ladies. Key differences is the ladies is going to have a lot of the same updates that we've seen in the men's version, but it's a women's-specific ergonomic ladies cut. So you're not getting a small version of a men's, you're getting one that's built with a flare, with room for a bust. It's a different cut jacket. So keep that in mind, and that's what's important about this, and that's why it's getting its own video. So if we look at Kat here wearing the anthracite black version, this is a spin on what we've seen in the past, which from originally the old model had an all black and an anthracite silver, or I'm sorry, a black silver. In the new version, we have this. We really think that the new anthracite version is sharp. Now there is an all black version for those of you that are purists, but the beauty of the Ignition is that it's taking the best features and protection from a leather jacket, and you're getting these Dynex mesh panels, which are going to flow a ton of air in the summer. So we're going to give this really a 3-season rating. You're going to get all spring, all summer with all the liners out, and then most of the fall depending on your temperature tolerance. Now inside this jacket there are 2 separate liners. The first liner is a full-sleeved Hydrotex waterproof and breathable liner. So with that liner in, if you get caught in a cloudburst, you're not getting wet. There's waterproofing built into this jacket. Also, interior of that would be a thermal body warmer. So it's not full sleeved, it's just basically a vest liner. So you really have that multiple layer functionality that gives you all the liners in for inclement cold weather, and then middle of the summer you're going to have those liners out and you're going to have that great deal of breathability. Now Kat's 5'7", or 5'10", she's 145, standing to my left, she's wearing a size 38. We find that the fit has been updated with the new Ignition 2, but it's still a svelte European cut, whereas the men's became a hair more generous. One of the other key features with the new Ignition 2 that I want to call out is the new venting structure here on the sleeves. So we have a 2-way arm zip that goes down to the cuff, and that's going to be akin to something that we've seen on the Sand, we've seen it on the Defender. It's really one of the more high-end features, but it allows this to become a big scoop, and you're going to get great airflow right up the jacket. That we have this semi-auto-locking zipper here, so when it's in this position you can easily open it and close it, and when you snap it back just like a race suit, it's going to lock. Now you can tell here we wanted to show the anthracite version because you can see all of the Dynex panels on the inside of the arms, on the front. When we spin Kat back, we're going to show the back of it. Turn to the side and face that way for me. Notice here on the side also that we're going to have the leather, which is a race grade cowhide that comes down all of the impact areas. So shoulder, elbow, all the way down. You have reflectivity across the elbow with this elasticated panel, and underneath you're going to have ladies pro-life armor, both in the shoulder as well as the elbow, which is a step up from your basic Knox. Turn backwards for me, Kat. One of my favorite features in the new Ignition 2 on both men's and ladies is the new micro suede neck roll that covers the entire inside of the collar. It's a sports style, universally styled collar, and it's a reasonably high collar. Adding this roll minimizes, whether it's cool weather or warm weather, the ability to be chafed by this jacket. Looking at the back, again, this is the anthracite version. You can see the anthracite Dynex mesh. You have temper foam paddles along the panels along the shoulder blades. You have some silver mesh here, and then we also have a Keprotec stretch panel here along the back, which is going to allow, hit the riding position for me. You see allow some stretch, and it comes down along the inside as well. Notice also that we have a 3-position snap down here along the waist, along the flare of the hip, so that Kat could adjust it to suit her needs. Come back around and face the camera for me. We've seen some subtle upgrades. We've talked about the collar. It's a 2-position snap. We now also have the metallic REV'IT logo. Remember, it's YKK zippers throughout on this jacket, so it's all upgraded features. Also down, we have this little guard that's going to sit nicely across the zipper when it's down, so it's going to give you the ability to not scratch your tank. On the previous model, it was a strap that came across. They have again refined it. So remember, Kat's wearing a size 38. It's going to be that European cut. It gives you that 3-season functionality. The inside of this guy has a full sleeve waterproof breathable liner that's removable, and there's a thermal vest liner on the inside of that. It's a high quality piece of gear that's going to cover you for a lot of different seasons of riding. Also, the perfect match for this pant would be the Gear 2 in ladies, which is a similar set of functionality, both mesh and leather. We want to hear what you think about the Ignition 2, so leave us a comment on Facebook, on YouTube. Subscribe to us on YouTube at RevZilla TV if you like the gear videos that we produce on a regular basis. And as always, if you have any questions about fit or functionality, shoot us a line, see us at RevZilla.com, 877-792-9455. As always, it's over $39. We're going to ship for free, we're going to exchange for free, and we're going to allow you to return it with no restock fee if you don't like it, as long as you send it back in new condition. You can also earn Teamzilla cash to be applied to your next order. Thank you for watching our detailed breakdown of the REV'IT Ignition 2 ladies jacket, available in anthracite black as well as all black at RevZilla.com/REV'IT. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.